Here are the spelling week lists for week 10/26 through the 29th. For the red group, the different columns are the aw sound, as in lost, the o sound, as in road, and the o sound with an e at the end, as in drove. Let's read the words real quick. Long, blow, loaf, dome, coach, slow, roast, gloss, lose. Did I hear any ah or o sound in lose? That's an oddball. Roam, boat, know, grow, wrote, globe, throw, chop, drop, shop, note, and close. If you said close, it would be an oddball. Teal group. Your columns are the as in bird, ire as in fire, ire as in dryer, and oddball. Third, let's read the words. Third, flyer, hire, fryer, girl, shirt, pliers, fur. This would be an oddball because there is not a UR. Birth, fur, crier, tire, there. That's also an oddball because it's not IER. And wire. Yellow group, you are looking at the I sounds, IGH sounds, the I blank E sounds, and the oddball. So I believe you're looking at which syllable it's in as well. Delight. That's in the second syllable. Machine. E, I don't hear an I, so it's oddball. Advice. Second syllable. Forgive. Oddball, I don't hear the I sound. Slightly. First syllable. Provide. Second syllable. Invite. Second syllable. 90. First syllable. Decide. Second. Brightly. First. Driveway. First. Arrive. Second. Sidewalk. First. Highway. First. Surprise. Second. Higher. First. Survive. Second. Combine. Second. Lightning. First. Favorite. Oddball, I don't hear I. And describe. Second. All right, the green group, you are working on the K sound when it ends in CK, when CK is in the middle, when it ends in IC, when it ends in X, and oddball. So quick, it ends in CK, so it'd go there. Pocket, it's in the middle, so it'd go under chicken. Traffic, ends in IC, goes there. Index, goes and end in X. Stomach. It has the K sound, but this is going to be an oddball. Hammock, end in K. Nickel in the middle. Topic, IC. Complex, attack, pickle, picnic, buckle, metric, ticket, electric, plastic, perplex, shoebox, jacket, racetrack, rocket, fabric, unlock, struck, specific. So unless I missed one, I believe the only oddball is stomach. And blue, you are looking at the words that have base TE, like as in locate. And when you change it from locate to location, when you add the shun, you drop the E and add ION. So that would be like decorate, decoration. Hibernate, hibernation. And then the base CE words like produce, when you add the shun, you drop the E and add TION. So produce, drop the E and add TION. Produce, production. Reproduce, reproduction. Notice how the C changes from the S to the K. Let's look at another one. Where's another one? CE reproduce. All right, I think the rest are TE. All right, that's it.